Lagos to Abidjan in few seconds. Get my ticket, get into GEO bus to the border. GEO give us food. Now continue a lot of checking points. Get to Seme border. Yes, this is Seme border. Change my money. After changes, tap in my passport and head to Benin. This is Togo and Benin border. After stepping in, continue our trip. Here is Ghana Aflawo border. Step outside Aflawo border, step in, get into Ghana. Custom clearance, our car broke down, changed our tire, bring spare tire and change it. Nice driver from GU. Get to Accra. This is Accra. Beautiful Accra. On my way to go and get my ticket.
Don't land for Accra, GU.
Get to STM Park. Get my ticket. Get into STM bus. Arrive at Ghana and Ivory Coast border. Buy some coffee.
We are inside Ivory Coast now. We just crossed from Ghana to
Ivory Coast. Start heading to the city, Abidjan. Arrive at the city, Abidjan. Beautiful city, Abidjan. Let me show you around. Beautiful, nice city. I love this city. Watch the full video on my YouTube channel. The link on my bio.